Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Tom over at Gas, and today we've got a tow bar to fit on a Ford Transit Custom. So yeah, we just walk through the process and we'll get the tow bar on. So when fitting the tow bar itself, all the holes are there ready. So we've got 4 holes to hold the brackets on, so we've removed the 2 existing bolts for now, either side, and then the brackets. One either side. Have a bolt on there, we'll put some new bolts in there, put the existing bolts back in, torque them up. So yeah, nice and simple on the Fords. Obviously a lot of transit vans do have tow bars, so everything's there ready for you. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get that bolted up. So yeah, the tow bars are all on. Nice and easy, 4 bolts on the chassis, either side, brackets, all the bolts torqued up to the specifications. So yeah, Brink, detachable, like Brink. Nice tow bars, always fit nice. Just on with the wiring now. So Ford actually bring the loom to the back, which is blanked off. So we remove the blanking plug, plug our loom into that. Just got to connect the ground, and then we'll pick up the loom in the passenger side. So yeah, we'll finish off the rear and then we'll go sort out the front wiring. So in the passenger side footwell, you just take the plastic cover off, the inner step. Everything comes through the body, sits a control unit. As a customer will be having a caravan, we've put a relay in so it can charge up the fridge. Connected that to the power. As the vehicle's got parking sensors, we've coded the tow bar in. So when he selects reverse gear with the caravan or trailer on, parking sensors will disable. And yeah, also recodes control units, other control units, instrument cluster, brakes. So yeah, there it is. Yeah, nice Brink tow bar, detachable. Once it's out, you can't see it. Just have to have a slight bumper cut. Just got to put the plug on the back. Yeah, another job done. Hope you guys and girls like the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and we'll keep uploading some more.